Friday Workshop!
What is Friday Workshop?
Friday Workshops make things for the things. What we do in the workshop.
What are we doing this week?
This week we're reviewing. What are we reviewing? I see lacquer. I see shellac. I see walnut oil. Is this on finishes?
This is our top 3 clear finishes. Our favorite clear finishes. So
here we go. First up, lacquer. Why do we have this here? Is it just because it's pretty simple to do and it dries fast?
Okay, spray lacquer is amazing. So first of all, it is a quick drying, like an hour. You can put a coat on, coat on, spray. And just the spray itself is just an easy medium to get things on. And then also, if you paint, if you do any sort of painting and you don't want to rub and then make the paint bleed and that sort of thing, spray lacquer is for putting things on there. One reason is a con about spray lacquer is that it's not really food safe.
Yeah, you want to put something else on if you want to eat off of it or eat with it.
Make sure you wear mask, protection, all that sort of stuff with spray lacquer. So, spray lacquer
is a win. Next up, shellac. Hey, this is bug poo.
It basically is. It's made from bug excrement, bug parts, and that sort of thing. But for sure, it's a clear finish. It's supposedly food safe. It's fast drying. It's easy to sand. It does not darken over age, when it ages. So, super awesome finish. If you want an all natural finish that's just really easy to work with, that you don't need, it doesn't have a lot of chemicals in it, and you don't need a bunch of protective equipment. I think you just use what it's on the label, of course. Shellac is
pretty good.
We love shellac. So, cons about shellac?
It takes a while to dry.
It does. So it says fast drying, but it's a few hours in between coats, and we usually go a whole night in between coats of shellac. That's one of the bigger problems with shellac, although it's faster than some of the other methods for sure. But shellac is natural, and a lot of the wood products that we have in the shop, we put shellac on just because it's beautiful.
Yeah.
This is a clear shellac. They also make amber colored shellac as well. So.
That's shellac, and on to the next one. Our last one, and not least one, is walnut oil.
Walnut oil is amazing.
It's his favorite, guys.
I love walnut oil. Talk about food safe. You can't get more food safe than picking it up in the grocery store, in the food aisle, right? It doesn't get more food safe than that. You can literally eat this product.
Yeah.
Walnut oil is amazing. It looks gorgeous. It goes on incredible. And it's great for like wooden spoons, anything you're gonna literally eat off of or cook with and that sort of thing. And we just put it on everything that we put in the kitchen. It's incredible.
Yeah. The only con about it is it also takes a while to dry.
This one is a lot longer to dry for sure than even the shellac. This one is definitely 2-3 days of drying in between coats, and so this one will take you, if you're doing 3-4 coats of walnut oil, it's going to take you a week to do properly.
Friday Workshop! And that was comparing our clear finishes.
Yeah, so pros and cons are great. We love the clear finishes. We're a big fan of like natural looking woods and natural looking products. We do put paint on things. We enjoy putting paint on things, but when we go for a natural, clean, wood-like finish, these are typically our 3 go-tos. So hopefully that helps.
Yeah, and if you like videos like these, like and subscribe.
Click on that bell notification.
Because we post every single Friday.
And sometimes even more.
So, until next time, see ya!
See ya.